Cricketers have their goals as well. Their first goal would be to play for their country. Next would be to represent their country in Test cricket. And ultimately, in one of the most prestigious competitions, the World Cup. Today at Simply Chuma, we are going to talk about the top 5 players who did great service to their country's cricket but got no opportunities to play in World Cups. Number 5. Matthew Hoggard. Matthew Hoggard's credentials as a test bowler for England are difficult to question, as he is among the country's top 10 wicket takers of all time. One of the best opening bowlers of his time, Hoggard claimed as many as 248 wickets in just 67 tests, with a career best match haul of 12 for 205 against South Africa. He also played a key role in England's iconic Ashes triumph over Australia in 2005. The English fast bowler, however, did not have a very successful ODI career. It consisted of only 26 matches in which he picked up 32 wickets. His ODI career came to an end in 2006 without him getting an opportunity to represent England in World Cup cricket, even though he was included in the 2003 squad. Number 4. Chris Martin. Pacer Chris Martin is one of the best bowlers to have played for New Zealand in tests and is only below Richard Hadlee and Daniel Vettori in the list of leading wicket takers for the country. In a career that lasted 13 years, Martin played 71 tests and grabbed 233 wickets with 10 5-wicket hauls. In contrast, his ODI career didn't quite get going as he picked up 18 wickets in the 20 matches that he played. He was rarely on the selectors' radar for the 50-over format. The closest Chris Martin came to participating in a World Cup was in 2007 when he replaced an injured Darryl Tuffy in the squad. But unfortunately enough, he did not get a game. Number 3. Justin Langer. Justin Langer is easily one of the greatest openers to have represented Australia in international cricket. The Southpaw played 105 tests in a career that lasted 14 years and scored more than 7,000 runs at an average of just over 45. The Aussie's ODI career, though, lasted just 8 matches in which he could only manage 160 runs without a single half-century. He is perhaps the only batsman from the golden era of Australian cricket who has not played for his team in the World Cup. In fact, Justin Langer's last ODI match came back in 1997, a decade before he retired from his illustrious career. Number 2. Alistair Cook. Alistair Cook is the only active player to be part of this list. The England skipper has been quite an iconic figure in his country's cricket, as he recently became their only player to go past 10,000 test runs. To add to his batting achievements, Cook has also captained the side quite brilliantly and has won multiple Ashes series during his successful tenure. With 97 ODIs under his belt so far, it comes as a big surprise that Alistair Cook never represented England in the 50-over World Cup. The previous occasion when he featured in an ODI team was back in December 2014, prior to which he had scored more than 3,000 runs with 5 centuries. It is highly unlikely that we will ever see Cook participate in future World Cups. Number 1. VVS Lakshman. Legendary Indian batsman VVS Lakshman was a part of the iconic quartet of Indian Test batting, which is often dubbed as the Fab Four. In a career which saw the stylish Hyderabadi play 134 tests, he scored 8,781 runs at an average of just under 46 and hit 17 centuries, including a career best of 281 against Australia at the Eden Gardens. Although it is hard to say that Lakshman was a great ODI batsman, he definitely played some sparkling knocks in an 86-match career. He scored 4 out of his 6 one-day hundreds against Australians and averaged a staggering 46.18 against them. However, his chance to play for India in World Cup cricket never came, as he never made it to any of the squads. Before the 2003 World Cup, it looked almost certain that VVS Lakshman would be selected. But in what was seen by many as a last-minute change, Dinesh Mongia was included in the team at his expense. What do you think of this list? Do let us know if you have any top 5s that you want us to work with by mailing us at simplychumma@gmail.com. Do press the like button, share it, and subscribe to Simply Chumma.